In the last lesson, we saw the completion of the standard REST actions for the user's resource, and the time has come now to make a second resource for our application. It's true that we modeled the sessions as a resource, but you may recall that we don't have a session model. This is not data that's persisted in a database, and there are no data model associations between sessions and users. But in this lesson, we will be making such a model and the associated controller for the micropost resource, which will be a micropost model and a microposts controller. We saw an early version of microposts in the second lesson of the Ruby on Rails tutorial screencasts through the demo app. In this lesson, we'll be making a full-strength version of microposts, including a full suite of validations and the associations with the user model. We'll also see how flexible the REST architecture is, because we won't actually be creating 7 actions for microposts, and in fact, we'll only be creating a couple. And this will provide a good example of just how flexible the REST architecture is. It can accommodate a situation where we've got all 7 of the standard actions, and it also works well when there are only 2. As usual, before getting started, let's make a branch. So git checkout -b, let's say this is user microposts.